Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about weight loss. And what I have for you is a detox water recipe that will start to help you burn the fat on your body and will take you under a minute to make. Okay? So for this, you're going to need lemon, a handful of mint, half a cucumber, and about 3 to 4 thin slices of ginger. Okay? So to make this, let me grab my jug. So really easy to make. You're going to toss in all the ingredients: ginger, half a cucumber, 3 to 4 slices of lemon, a handful of mint, goes right in. You're going to fill this up with water. Alright, back with some water. And let this sit either out or in your refrigerator for up to 2 hours. The longer the better. So I usually leave mine in from either 2 to 24 hours. I just go to sleep and leave it in the fridge. I wake up in the morning and take it with me to work. So you want to leave this in your fridge. Now let it sit for as long as you can and it's ready to go. Now you can drink this infused detox water instead of regular water, which I highly recommend. Also in the morning before you go to work, like I do, fill up your water bottle with this infused water and take it with you to work and drink it all day long. Okay, now when you do that, you want to refill this with more water and put it back in your refrigerator so that when you come home, it's ready for you and you can drink this the next morning as well. Now this will last you, after you refill this for about 2 to 3 days, you should make another batch. So this will last you about 2 to 3 days. And that's about it. So go make your water. Let me know how it works for you. And an important note, actually, I forgot to mention, is that you should drink this water 2 weeks out of the month. I don't want you to drink this all month long because I don't want your body to get used to this. You should switch out the ingredients in here, which I can make another video on that if you want. Just let me know. And drink this 2 weeks out of the month. And let me talk to you about what is actually in here. So we have lemon in here. So lemon is really good for you because it has vitamin C in it. It's also anti-aging, it reduces wrinkles, and it helps build collagen in your body. And it's also really good for digestion. Okay, the next thing we have in here is cucumber. Cucumber actually has magnesium. It also has vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin C. It's also helpful to increase collagen as well as increase your metabolism. Now we also have ginger. Now ginger reduces bloating and it's also anti-inflammatory, so very, very good for you. Oh, I forgot mint. Mint is actually therapeutic for your body because the aroma not only makes you feel good, but it also purifies and cleanses the blood in your body. So very, very good for you. And I really, really hope you enjoy this water and start making it today to kickstart your weight loss journey. And I will be back with more on weight loss and other recipes. So that's it for now. Happy drinking.